Good day, welcome back to the channel. In today's update, I will show you how to use your free $1 on Atos for mining, verifying Atos. So what you basically need to do is to click on this place, invite your friends. In this period when they are giving out withdrawal, they are giving $0.2 for invitation of friends. These are the times you can accumulate. These are the time I accumulated this $1.5. I've used $1 for mining quality assistance on this project. On this one is different. Verified Atos is different. Arriving Atos is also different. Verifying Atos is different. This is verified, this is verifying. So this one you can get it with, you can get mining assistance that can make you mine faster. This arriving Atos. So click on this invitation, invite your friends so they can join the network. Invite them so they can join the network. After inviting them, you will have that in your balance. What you basically have to do is to buy this coin, purchase right. You can see I purchase right, current right, see it here. 1 month is currently working from now till next month, which is 1 month collecting assistance. I bought this one with the $1 here. You can see for yourself. That is it. This is the one I bought now. Collecting assistance is currently $1, so you can use your $1 to buy this token, this right, which can enable you to mine even more Atos for free. So guys, this is the update today. So if you have more available balance, you can buy more right here to mine faster, so that you can accumulate faster than others. Remember, they are launching this year, so there are a few months. If you want to be serious with this project, you have a few months from now, basically 4 months or more, according to them. They say it's second quarter of the year, so you have basically 4 months to from 5 months to 7 or 8 months, depending on how they postpone it. But till now you have 4 months plus to mine, or 5 months to mine this token seriously to get anything from it. So if you want to get tangible things from it, like from $10 to $100, you have to be serious with this project now than before. You need to be serious than ever, so you have to be following this update I'm giving you on this project so you can mine even faster. So this is your wallet. Go to your wallet, you will see it here. What is left now is $0.5. I've used $1 that is here to mine, so that is it. I've just taught you how to use your $1 for free, and it's here. What this have to do is that click on this place, click here. Every day click on it, you'll be getting at least 5,000 to 10,000 verifying Atos daily. You'll be getting that daily. Yeah, so that's how it works, guys. More update will be coming on this project. So they are listing, and they are currently giving withdrawal quota this month, so which means there's a week left. If you want to do this, you can invite one friend to be qualified, and keep on checking in, which means you have to click here, click on the reward, and click on sign in. I've talked about this project long time, I think a few months ago, and if you're interested, I've talked a lot about this project, how to start, how to make money from it, and how to make from $10 to $100 from this project alone. Do all these inquiries, all these criteria I've just talked about in this channel on this project. Go watch them out. You can see what I've talked about them, the total understandings about this project. They are available in this channel. Do well to search it, and you will get the video named all about Atos. Go and watch that video, about 30 minutes long. You can check all what I said about it, so you can make from $10 to $100 or more from this project. So guys, more updates like this will be coming. The link of this project will be given in the description of this video, or the comment section. So if you have any issues or any questions, do it to ask me, just why I talk about Pi. And if you have questions, you should talk about your Pi questions, and I try my best to solve most of your problems in those times when Pi is listing last year. So I'm now giving the opportunity for you to answer questions now before this one will list. So when they list, there will be no more time to be answering questions anymore. So you have the time now to answer questions now, so that solutions can come in before it's too late for you that is late in this project. So no matter how you are late, if you are hearing inside of my voice now, you can still be able to mine this project currently, and you can still make from $10 to $100 from this project. So guys, this is the update for today, how to use your $1 to mine even more Atos to accumulate $10 to $100 in this project. So guys, this is the update. More updates like this will be coming, and if you love this video, do it to subscribe to the channel, and you can make positive reactions just like others. Just we others are appreciating us that we are the best channel in the crypto space, and we are the best channel in airdrop or farming and mining. So do it to check the comment sections. We see people commenting various compliments and positive reactions there. These are really users from our channel. So do it to join them. You can answer questions. You can ask anything basically in the comment section, and also the link will be in the comment section or the description of this video. So go and click the link. Use the referral code X6JCM. So that's the referral code. I will leave the link. I will leave the link of this project and the referral code. Don't register without a referral code. If you are new to this project, don't register without a referral code. The referral code will be given in this comment section. Always go and use the referral code that will be given here. Don't go and download the app. You will not get anything. Don't say I didn't tell you. I'm warning you. If you want to get any reward after registration, follow the code here. I will be giving in the description or the comment section. Don't go and download it and keep asking me questions. Once you download it and you register without using the referral code, your account will be showing 0 until you delete the account, and you can't be deleting your ID, your identity. If you delete the account, it means you have deleted your name, which you cannot register anymore. So for you to get 23,000 Atos, you will have to use the referral code, which I'll be giving. I believe the link, the referral code here. So guys, this is the referral code. If you are registering new, just click on the referral code. This is it. J6, yeah, J6. Sorry, this is the referral code X6MJCQ. So this is the referral code X6MJCQ. So when you're registering on this project, don't skip this. Register using this referral code X6MJCQ. Copy it and paste it, or type it in the referral or invitation code section where you see on this project. Most people come to my DM, they ask, sir, boss, how can I do this? How can I get 20,000 Atos after registration? If you don't follow these instructions, which is this, if you don't input the referral code when registering, you will not have any 20,000 Atos. Your account will be showing 0. By that time, it's already too late. You cannot create another account again because you have already used your name to create your account. So don't skip it. Input it and verify your KYC level 2 to be verified fully for withdrawal and to make your arriving Atos to be verified. So most people have their account showing arriving Atos instead of verified Atos. So if most of you have not passed your KYC level 2, that's why your 23,000 Atos and more is showing arriving Atos. So once you have used the referral code to register, you get 23,000 Atos. Then you will go to the KYC session and do your KYC level 1 and 2. So level 2 will grant you the access. Level 1 is just not much compulsory to level 2, because level 2 will grant you the access, but the 2 is necessary, but level 2 is more powerful to allow you to withdraw and get withdrawal quota. Secondly, also to allow your arriving Atos to become verified Atos. So that is what verification level 2 does in this project. So go do your KYC level 2. You can use your NIN if you're in Nigeria, use your passport if anywhere in the world is accepted, or use your NIN, your national ID in your country, use your driving license and your international passport. These are available documents you can use for KYC level 2, and after that you are good to go.